Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Trezor Suite on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Trezor Suite on Windows, begin by closing the application if it is currently open. Locate the Windows search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel and press Enter to open it. In the Control Panel, find and click on Programs. Next, select Program. Scroll through the list until you find Trezor. Now, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation dialog may appear, asking if you want to proceed. Click Yes to confirm that you want to uninstall Trezor Suite. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. Once it is finished, you may receive a message indicating the process was successful. If desired, you can also delete any remaining files associated with Trezor Suite. To do this, open File Explorer. Navigate to the C:\users \your username \appdata local single quote folder. Look for any folders related to Trezor Suite and delete them. Finally, empty your recycle bin to ensure all files are removed completely. You have now successfully uninstalled Trezor Suite from your Windows computer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.